What you must know about the Netherlands' new laws on asylum. Hello friends, welcome to Global Issues Info Channel. On this channel, we bring to you updated information on global issues, including migration, conflicts, politics, and much more. If you are passing by this channel for the first time, please subscribe right now and hit the notification icon so that you will be notified on all of our new publications. Our today's video takes us to what you need to know about the Netherlands' new laws on asylum. Stay tuned. On the 12th of June 2026, the asylum procedure will change. This is due to new European rules. According to the Netherlands government, the aim is to decide more quickly whether you can stay in the Netherlands. This is being done with the following changes. There will be only one interview with the IND on the reasons you want asylum. There will no longer be an application interview. There will no longer be a compulsory medical examination. This will only still be done if there is reason for it. You will no longer receive an intended decision to which you can respond. You will receive a final decision on your application immediately. If you disagree with the decision, you can appeal to the court. The IND can give you information about the asylum procedure. This is called legal information. For example, if you have questions about your rights. You will be given a lawyer shortly before your asylum interview. The IND records your asylum interview, and your lawyer can listen back to the interview. If you fail to show up for your appointments during the asylum procedure, the IND can take a negative decision on your asylum application sooner. You will be informed as standard within 6 months whether you are allowed to stay in the Netherlands. In the accelerated procedure, this is 3 months. You follow this procedure, for example, if you come from a safe country. Let us take a look at changes to asylum residence permit. Have you been granted an asylum residence permit? From the 12th of June, the following will change. An asylum residence permit is currently valid for 5 years. This will be 3 years. You must therefore apply for a new residence document every 3 years. If on the 12th of June 2026 you hold a temporary asylum residence permit, you keep this residence document until it is no longer valid. You then apply for the renewal of your asylum residence document. There is no longer a permanent asylum residence permit. If on the 12th of June 2026 you hold a permanent asylum residence permit, you keep this residence permit. You will still be able to renew your document. This is what will happen for permanent asylum residence permit. Have you already applied for a permanent asylum residence permit? And have you not yet received a decision by the 12th of June? The IND will assess your application as a renewal of your asylum residence document. You will receive a letter from the IND. You will receive a refund of the application fees for the permanent residence permit. Is your asylum residence permit valid for longer than 3 months? Then IND will not renew your document yet. There are a number of reasons why IND cannot make a decision before the 12th of June. For example, you do not meet the requirement that you have resided in the Netherlands with a residence permit for at least 5 years by the 12th of June. The application fees have not yet been paid. Your application is not complete. IND have sent you a letter. You still have to respond to that letter. You have received an intended decision because IND plan not to grant you permanent asylum. Have you applied for a permanent asylum residence permit? Do you not meet all the requirements for a permanent asylum residence permit on June 12th? For example, because you have not yet resided in the Netherlands for 5 years with an asylum residence permit before the 12th of June, then the IND cannot decide on your application before the 12th of June. For this reason, it no longer makes sense to apply for this residence permit. Residence permit for long-term EU residents. Have you lived in the Netherlands for at least 5 years with a valid residence permit? And do you currently have an asylum residence permit? Then you may be entitled to a residence permit for long-term EU residents. Stay tuned as I explain this in my subsequent videos. New requirements for family reunification explains as follows. The rules for family reunification are changing. When exactly this will be is not yet clear. From that moment, you can apply for family reunification for your biological or adopted children under 18 years of age, your partner to whom you are legally married. You will no longer be able to apply for family reunification for the following family members: your partner to whom you are not legally married, your foster child, your adult children, Only in rare situations are they entitled to a residence permit for family members under Article 8 ECHR. This is a more stringent assessment than for family reunification. Did you apply for family reunification for these family members before the law takes effect? Then the IND will assess whether they are entitled to a residence permit under Article 8 ECHR. You do not need to make a new application for this. Did you come to the Netherlands without parents? And did you apply for asylum before you turned 18? Then you will be able to apply for family reunification for your parents, your siblings under 18 years of age if you apply for family reunification for your parent at the same time. Hi friends, permit me to end here for now as we are closely monitoring the situation to bring to you any new updates. Please do not go away without subscribing, and when you do, hit the notification icon so that you won't miss out on new information. Also like, share to others, and comment. Thank you for your time and see you very soon for new updates.